Washington homeowners experience a wide range of seasonal conditions, from cool, damp winters to warm, sunny summers. Creating a home that feels comfortable in every season requires thoughtful design choices, and one upgrade that delivers both beauty and performance is a bay window. Bay windows are known for their elegant appearance and ability to expand interior space, but they also play an important role in improving indoor comfort throughout the year. Here's how bay windows can make a noticeable difference in Washington homes. Maximizing natural light during overcast months. Washington's cloudier seasons can sometimes make interiors feel dim. Bay windows extend outward from your home and typically include a large center pane with angled side windows, allowing light to enter from multiple directions. This design increases daylight exposure, brightens living rooms and dining areas, reduces reliance on artificial lighting. Natural light enhances mood and makes indoor spaces feel larger and more inviting, especially during shorter winter days. Improving ventilation in warmer weather. Bay windows often include operable side panels, typically double-hung or casement windows, that allow for improved airflow. In spring and summer, this makes it easier to introduce fresh air into your home without sacrificing comfort. By opening the angled side windows, you can encourage cross-ventilation, helping circulate stale indoor air, reduce indoor humidity, maintain a more comfortable temperature. This is particularly beneficial during Washington's milder seasons when you want fresh air without running your HVAC system. Enhancing energy efficiency in winter. Modern bay windows are designed with advanced energy-efficient features that support indoor comfort during colder months. Double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and low-E coatings help reduce heat transfer and prevent drafts. These features keep warm air inside, minimize cold spots near windows, reduce heating costs. The outward projection of a bay window also creates a small insulated pocket of space, which, when properly installed, contributes to maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Reducing air leaks and drafts. Older windows can be a major source of drafts and energy loss. Professionally installed bay windows are sealed tightly to prevent air infiltration. High-quality weather stripping and insulation around the frame further protect against temperature fluctuations. In Washington's variable climate, preventing drafts is essential for maintaining comfort year-round. Creating a cozy, functional space beyond temperature control, bay windows add usable interior space that enhances everyday comfort. Many homeowners incorporate built-in window seating, reading nooks, decorative shelving, small indoor gardens. This additional space becomes a cozy retreat during winter and a sunny relaxation spot in warmer months. The combination of light, views, and expanded seating contributes to a more enjoyable living environment. Improving indoor air quality. Proper ventilation plays a key role in maintaining indoor air quality. Operable side panels in bay windows allow homeowners to release stale air and introduce fresh outdoor air when conditions allow. This helps reduce indoor pollutants, excess moisture buildup, lingering odors. Good airflow supports a healthier indoor environment throughout the year. Adding year-round visual comfort. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about how a space feels visually. Bay windows frame outdoor views and create a sense of openness. Even during rainy or snowy days, expansive glass panels help you stay connected to the outdoors while remaining sheltered inside. This connection to natural surroundings enhances the overall comfort and livability of Washington homes. Professional installation is key to maximize the comfort benefits of bay windows. Professional installation is essential. Proper structural support, insulation, and sealing ensure that your new windows perform efficiently in all seasons. Experienced installers also ensure compliance with local building codes and verify that the projection is properly supported for long-term durability. A smart investment for Washington homeowners. Bay windows combine elegance, expanded space, and practical performance to improve indoor comfort year-round. From increasing natural light and ventilation to enhancing energy efficiency and reducing drafts, they offer benefits in every season. For Washington homeowners seeking a functional and beautiful upgrade, professionally installed bay windows provide lasting comfort, improved efficiency, and enhanced home value, making them a worthwhile investment for years to come.